Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I'm with Construction Landscape Company. We specialize in residential landscape design and installation. So when designing a front yard, I try to pay close attention to the bones of a house, the architecture of it. As you're walking up this long walkway, it's adjacent to this very, very long and tall wall here that goes all the way up into the second story. So I wanted to bring in some things that really would fit the space but not overtake it. So just steps from the pool area, we had this great seating section for family and friends to gather. We decided to set in a water feature for just a nice bit of sound and ambiance, just a place for people to gather and enjoy.
Design process was great and the actual implementation was pretty fantastic.
Initially, what we were really drawn to was the design process with her creativity, even from our first walkthrough.
You'll notice that we chose palm trees for this side that had a little bit more girth, a little more depth, just to kind of soften the house lines.
And we've used Jennifer for our landscaping for several years, and we're very pleased with the service that we've gotten.
I like the way Jen and her husband collaborated and discussed everything before the crew actually got in there. I really was impressed by that.
If you're looking to create an outdoor space in your yard or add some curb appeal to your house, then give me a call. I'd be happy to work with you. I'm Jennifer with Construction Landscape Company, and we love what we do.